guys, I'll be making a very popular punch. It's popular in Jamaica. It's normally guys who drink it. I'm gonna be making some today. Right here we have Dragon Stout, we have supligen, and it's the vanilla kind. We have sweetened condensed milk, cinnamon powder, ground nutmeg, and vanilla. And right here I have some oatmeal and some unsalted peanuts, and it's been soaking in cold water. So I'm just gonna add everything over here to my blender, and I'm just gonna blend it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'll be blending up everything except the dragon and the condensed milk, because I don't want to blend those together. So we're just trying to break down the oatmeal and the peanuts, and then we're gonna combine those over there with everything in the blender. And this is what it looks like, guys. A nice regular punch with dragon, supligen, oatmeal, peanuts. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box below, so you guys can try it out and let me know what you guys think. Very popular in Jamaica. There you guys have it. Enjoy!